In this video, we're going to organize the knowledge base with folders. How to create your own, manage them, and keep everything in its place. You've already seen that the knowledge base comes with a folder structure derived from your organizational chart, with one folder for each department. These folders form the skeleton and are fixed. You don't create or modify them yourself. The system builds them. The system defines the main structure, but within it, you have complete freedom. You can create your own folders to organize things, however works best for you, by date, document type, project, or client. So the rule is simple. The system sets the organizational chart structure, and it stays that way. But within each department, you build your own order. Let's create one. In this example, material is piling up inside the sales area, and we want to separate it. We select the sales folder, right-click on it, and choose New Subfolder. The Create New Folder window will open. In the folder name field, enter the name, in this case, Playbooks. In Location, it confirms where the folder will be created. Inside Sales, exactly as we wanted. In the Folder Permissions box, you decide the access level. It comes set to Inherit from Parent, which means the folder takes the same access as Sales. In this case, the access scope is set to Department. If that folder required a different access level, we would switch to Manual Configuration and define it ourselves. To keep things organized, leaving it inherited is the natural choice. We confirm by clicking the Create Folder button. And that's it. Playbooks is now inside Sales, with the same access as the sales team. With the folder created, let's look at what you can do with it. First, add the file. To do this, simply drag it in. We'll take the Sales Playbook, which was loose in Sales, and drop it into Playbooks. It's now saved there, in its proper place within Sales. Everything looks much cleaner. You can manage your folders however you like. By right-clicking on one of your folders, you'll find options to rename it using Rename, or delete it using Delete. If you want to rearrange it, there are two ways. Drag it directly into another folder, or use the Move To option, which opens a window where you select the new location from a list and confirm. Notice something important, and this is the key difference. If I open the menu of a department folder, such as Sales, it only allows me to create a subfolder inside. It doesn't let me rename it, move it, or delete it. In contrast, in the folder I created, Playbooks, I do have all of those options available. That's why the organizational structure cannot be modified, but your own folders can be organized however you like. And that's how you work with folders here. Think of the organizational chart as the skeleton that's already built, and your folders as the way you keep everything organized and easy to find within your space. Every folder you create inherits the access permissions from where you place it, so organizing your content and controlling who sees what go hand in hand, without you having to think about it every time. With this, you can now take any area and give it the structure that makes sense to you.